commuters who travel with the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC will benefit from lower fares starting January next year. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement in Parliament on November 21. The temporary fare reduction will be done in 2 stages.
Effective January 1st, 2024, the reduction in the regular fare from $100 to $70, and a reduction in the fare for children from $30 to $25, and for pensioners from $40 to $30. Effective April 1st of 2024, a further reduction in the regular fare from $70 to $50, and in the fare for children from $25 to $20.
Making it cheaper to travel with the state-run bus company is part of the government's plans to manage inflation and mitigate the impact of recent increases to the fares charged by public passenger vehicle PPV operators.
The government of Jamaica is very mindful of the impact of the PPV increase on the cost of living, and also the need to support the Bank of Jamaica in its efforts to return and keep inflation within the 4% to 6% range.
Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Bowes has welcomed the move.
Inflation is now projected to generally remain within the target range, except for December 2023 and a few months in 2024. The announced fiscal measure will have a material impact on tempering the potential inflationary pressures of the PPV fare increases.
The question is being asked, how will this impact and who will it impact? The last survey shows about 145,000 passengers being transported in the KTMR on a daily basis. Of that, 60,000 is on the buses.
To ensure the JUTC can manage any increased passenger demand, government is expediting plans for the acquisition of more buses in 2024.
We're looking to put 100 buses in the fleet of the JUTC for the calendar year, not the financial year. The calendar year 24 could be as early as June if everything goes according to my plan. But definitely by latest September with the first 100. The impact of those 100 buses will probably increase JUTC's movements, daily movements, by about 20,000. So you'll be moving to 80,000.
Commuters will benefit from the reduced fares for up to 24 months or 2 years. The fares will then be readjusted to the previous levels.